Hello everyone and welcome to the Fund Insight series of UTI Mutual Fund. Today we have with us Fund Manager Mr. V. Srivatsa, who has an experience of over 2 decades in equity research and fund management. Since the fund is investing both in large and mid-cap fund, how do you strike a balance between large and mid-caps, and what are the factors that typically influence this allocation?
Yeah, our asset allocation is largely having large caps in the band of 45 to 50 and mid cap in the band of 35 to 40 and the rest in small caps, which ranges from 10 to 15%. Our endeavor is to have a higher share of large caps in the band of 45 to 50 on account of large caps being more stable, while the allocation between mid and small cap is decided on valuations. At the current juncture, we believe that small caps are more attractive valuation than the large caps. Hence, the allocation of small cap is slightly higher than 10%.
Srivatsa, can you walk us through the research and stock selection process of UTI large and mid-cap fund, and what are the key driving factors into the portfolio construction?
The fund is being managed as a relative value basis, with valuation being at the core of the decision making. We look at relative valuation through 4 lenses. Firstly, well-established, matured large-cap companies trending at below long-term mean valuations, either to its history or to the broader markets. This is the core strategy of identifying primarily large-cap companies which have derated on various concerns. We pick on those names which have delivered long-term track record of performance and consistency, and we believe that derating is temporary. Second, mispriced companies. These are companies across the spectrum which have decent financial metrics, good governance, good management and track record, but mispriced by the market on various reasons. We do a deep dive into the business and the management capabilities before taking a call on these names. Third, cyclical stocks are generally undervalued when the cycle is not in favor. We try and make money in these opportunities when the cycle is down. And lastly, for small caps, our focus is to identify growth-oriented small cap companies trading at reasonable valuations.
The fund has been consistently delivering top quartile performance. What have been the key driving factors behind the success?
Yeah, on unwavering focus on identifying relatively undervalued companies and discipline on being invested in the same, notwithstanding the volatility, has helped us in outperforming in the last 5 years. Apart from this, our focus on growth-oriented mid and small cap companies and companies which are mispriced has also helped us. We are also disciplined on the valuations and do not hesitate to exit our holdings where we believe that the valuations have played out.
Thank you, Srivatsa. Thank you for watching.
Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme-related documents carefully.